Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I decided to open a new part of my channel. Usually I do reviews or something else, like a tutorial, but I'm gonna be exploring these makeup ideas, and I wanted to create a new segment that I'll also create a playlist for eventually, called Makeup Theory. So we're just gonna be exploring theories about makeup, highlighting, shading, creating a crease when you don't have one, just all, the techniques that are well known to a lot of makeup artists, and put them to the test to see if they really work. And if you're daring enough and you think, oh, that technique works, but that's bullshit, he did it wrong, please comment in the comment section down below. Like, I'm always willing to learn if I did something wrong. But just to let you know, I will be doing my adaptation of it, so it's not going to be exactly how the technique is. So today I decided that I wanted to explore highlighting, but not highlighting in the sense of like a shimmer highlight, bringing things to the front. So I'm going to be using a white concealer, the one from Kat Von D Whiteout, and I'm just going to be applying it to areas that I want to come forward. So I will be putting the product on my cheekbones, my nose, my chin, a little bit on the cupid's bow, and under my eye to see if it takes the bag out. And we will test out the theory and do a comparison side by side to see the difference. In preparation for this video, I have done my eyebrows, my hair, I have moisturized, showered, and sprayed an antibacterial spermicideal spray on my genitals. So I'm going to zoom in really quickly. And I'm going to start with the Kat Von D Whiteout, and I'm just going to apply it to the areas that I want highlighted. If you're wondering why I'm not starting with primer, that's because I'm going to be using face fabric from Armani. That already is pretty silicone-y. It has, that smoothing dimethicone built into it, so I'm not going to double it up with another primer because it could cause it to roll. So I'm just going to apply this, and then I'm going to blend it until I see that the area is brought forward. And you may be wondering, like, why are you using white? Why aren't you just using a lighter concealer? White's pretty neutral and it does brighten, and it doesn't add any extra color. And what I want to do is put the other product on top to blend it, with the undertone of the other product. So that way it just makes that other product lighter automatically. Also, it's a little bit more drastic than using a lighter color, so we can really test out the theory. I'm just going to go back into those areas and apply a little bit more, just so that way they can really brighten it. What's nice about the Kat Von D concealer is that once it dries, like it doesn't go anywhere. I'm going to put a little bit on my cheekbone to bring it out as well. And I'm going to be applying it on my nose. Just to create a slimmer looking nose. And I'm going to apply it on my cupid's bow. And then on my chin. So my chin is kind of fucked up everywhere and it has a lot of shadows, so I'm just going to try to minimize the shadows as much as I can. I'm also going to put a little bit on the sides of the mouth because it tends to get a little darker there. Okay, so as a comparison, you can see this side is a little bit more lifted. Those areas are definitely a lot wider, but it looks very crazy. So I'm going to go back and apply a foundation over the entire face on this side, and then we can see the result. I will also be applying a little bit of concealer. So that way, if any areas got too light or I have hyperpigmentation to cover, I'll take care of that and it'll make it look even smoother. I'm using face fabric in number 4, and I'm going to be applying it with a sponge to not disturb the layer of concealer we just built. Okay, so you can see I have it on this side. I don't have it on this side, but you can already see the difference. See how like higher this looks and much brighter? Let's see the under eyes. You can see the bag is less pronounced. I don't see as much color in it. And then the shadow is really brightened. And then around the mouth area, it looks pretty smooth too. And that's with just a light coverage foundation. To further perfect it, I'm going to use my Almost Dead Secret Camouflage Concealer from Laura Mercier number 5. Alright, and there you go. And that's kind of insane. It looks like I have a filter on my face on this side. And you can definitely see that my cheekbone down here is like, this is where the highlight is. And up here is like up here. So it looks like this side's a little bit melted down. And then this one looks a little more lifted. Also my nose, you can see it looks straight, especially when I go from far away. You can see the shape of the nose a little bit better. And then I did put it on both sides, unfortunately, but you can see it's smoother around my mouth and my chin area. I usually have the biggest problem in this area, like it doesn't look as smooth and even, but with the highlighter it smoothed out the surface or the plane of the face, so it makes it look nice and smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side and put a little bit of highlighter on top to play with more of the theory to see if it pops out even more. Okay, so now I have it on both sides and you can see this one side is just as lifted as the other side. Let's go ahead and put a little highlighter and bronzer. So for my highlighter today, I will be using Babyface Finish Beam by It's Skin. This one I got in Little Tokyo, so if you're in LA, you can go over to Little Tokyo. They carry the whole brand, and so this little cute brand that's from Asia, I think. And a little bit is all you need. Cupid's bow, and a little on the chin. And if you wanted to, you could just leave it at that. You know, get this nice glass skin effect. I think, you know what, I'll just call it a day and leave it like this, because this looks really nice and clean. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed Makeup Theory. Today we covered highlighting and bringing things to the front with a white concealer. If you have any questions or comments, you can put them in the section down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the video. I upload every day. Ring the bell so you know what video is coming, when, and don't forget to like the video if you like the video. That would help me a lot. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good day.